welcome to The Rolling Wave. Well, tonight's programme is a special one following on from our interview with Charlie Lennon last week. And if you missed that interview, don't forget you can listen back to it anytime online. But tonight's programme is a concert recorded in Studio Cuan, which is in Sunspidale i Gunda na Gaillimhe. And this concert took place as part of a Trad Talk seminar organised by Tristan Rosenstock and Oisin McDermott from Trad Éireann. So throughout the day there were very interesting talks and discussions, and then that night this beautiful concert took place in tribute to Charlie Lennon. Agus cuirí mise na ceoltóirí seo ar an státe in aithníb. Cuirigí fáilte Ulmhór, Riv, Oisin McDermott, Sean Lennon, Johnny O'Connelly, Mick O'Brien, Steve Cooney agus Jim Higgins. Agus cuirí mise na ceoltóirí seo ar an státe in aithníb. Cuirigí fáilte Ulmhór, Riv, Oisin McDermott, Sean Lennon, Johnny O'Connelly, Mick O'Brien, Steve Cooney agus Jim Higgins.